Ever wondered why some folks always seem so chipper no matter what life throws at them? It's like they've discovered some secret source to happiness that keeps them perpetually upbeat. Well, it's not magic, nor is it luck. It's all about cultivating a positive mindset. You see, the mind is a powerful tool, and how we choose to wield it can significantly influence our outlook on life. A positive mindset is not just about plastering a smile on your face. It's a way of life that involves embracing certain habits that can transform your everyday experiences. Today, we're diving into a journey of self-discovery. We'll explore 20 habits that can help you cultivate a positive mind. These habits aren't rocket science, but they do require consistency. They'll help you to see the world in a brighter light and tackle life's challenges with a spring in your step. Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore 20 habits that can help you cultivate a positive mind. Scene script. Let's dive right in with our first habit, gratitude journaling. This habit is exactly what it sounds like. Jotting down what you're thankful for. You could be grateful for a piping hot cup of tea on a cold day, a friend's infectious laughter, or even the air you breathe. By focusing on the good, however small, you train your mind to spot positivity everywhere. Next up, we have morning affirmations. Picture this: you wake up, stretch, and tell yourself, "I'm going to seize the day." Affirmations are powerful statements that set the tone for your day. They can be anything from "I am capable" to "I bring joy to those around me." Say them out loud, write them down, or whisper them to yourself. Just make sure you believe them. The third habit might surprise you. Embrace failure. No one likes to fail, but it's an integral part of life. Think of the most successful people you know. They've all failed, spectacularly even, but they've also learned from their mistakes. So next time you stumble, don't wallow. Instead, think of it as a stepping stone to success. Now let's move to random acts of kindness. This habit is about making someone else's day a little brighter. It could be as simple as leaving a kind note for a colleague or paying for the next person's coffee. When you spread joy, you can't help but feel a bit of it yourself. Finally, we have dance like nobody's watching. You don't need to be a professional dancer or even a good one. Just let loose, feel the rhythm, and let your body move. Dancing releases endorphins, the feel-good hormone, and it's a whole lot of fun. Remember, positivity is a choice, and these habits help you make that choice every day. Moving on, our sixth habit is limiting negativity intake. Imagine your mind as a garden and every thought as a seed. You wouldn't want weeds to overrun your beautiful blossoms, would you? So, limit the intake of negative news, negative people, and negative thoughts. This doesn't mean burying your head in the sand, but rather focusing on the things that uplift you and help your mental garden bloom. Next up, we have finding the silver lining. Life isn't always a bed of roses, but every cloud has a silver lining. Got stuck in traffic? More time to listen to your favorite podcast. Burned your dinner? Perfect excuse to try that new restaurant. By focusing on the upsides, no matter how small, you can turn any situation into a positive experience. Our eighth habit is mindful breathing. It's as simple as it sounds. Breathe in, breathe out, and pay attention to it. This little act can help reduce stress, increase focus, and anchor you in the present moment. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. No passport required. Let's move on to celebrating small wins. Did you make your bed this morning? High five. Finished a book? Do a little dance. Small victories pave the way to big successes. By acknowledging and celebrating them, you're motivating yourself to keep going and to keep growing. Last but not least for this segment is practicing self-care. Take a bubble bath, read a book, or just take 5 minutes to do nothing at all. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. Adopting these habits can help you cultivate positivity and resilience in the face of adversity. Continuing on, our 11th habit is surrounding yourself with positive people. It's often said that we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting individuals can help you maintain a positive mindset. Think of them as your personal cheerleading squad, always there to support you and keep your spirits high. Next, we have staying curious. A positive mind is a curious one. Instead of accepting things as they are, a curious mind asks why and how. It's the child who never stopped asking questions, the explorer always looking for the next adventure. Staying curious keeps your mind active and engaged, helping you to always see the world through fresh eyes. Moving on to the 13th habit, laughing often. Laughter is a powerful antidote to stress and negativity. It's like internal jogging, providing a good massage to all internal organs while simultaneously making you feel relaxed. So catch a funny movie, joke with a friend, or even laugh at your own mistakes. Remember, life's too short to be serious all the time. The 14th habit is visualizing success. This isn't about daydreaming of a lottery win, but rather picturing yourself achieving your real practical goals. It's about seeing yourself in your happy place, whether that's nailing a presentation, finishing a marathon, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment. Visualizing success can help you move towards it. Finally, we have letting go of control. This is about understanding that you can't control everything. Sometimes you have to accept that things will happen in their own time and way, and that's okay. It's like being a surfer, riding the wave instead of trying to control the ocean. This habit can bring you great peace and positivity. Remember, your mind is a garden, and these habits can help you cultivate beautiful thoughts. Finally, we arrive at our 16th habit, focusing on solutions. Instead of dwelling on problems, the positive mind focuses on possible solutions. Imagine being stuck in a traffic jam. A negative mind might complain about the delay, but a positive mind might use this time to listen to an audiobook or plan the day ahead. Moving on to our 17th habit, connecting with nature. This can be as simple as taking a walk in the park or gardening. The rustling leaves, chirping birds, and the fresh air all serve to remind us of the beauty of the world around us. So the next time you're feeling low, why not step outside and connect with nature? Next, we have setting boundaries, our 18th habit. This is about understanding your limits and ensuring others respect them. For instance, if you're constantly interrupted during your me time, let others know this time is important to you. Setting boundaries helps maintain your mental peace and positivity. On to the 19th habit, practicing forgiveness. It's about letting go of grudges and bitterness. Suppose a friend made a hurtful comment. Instead of holding on to that resentment, you could forgive them. Not for their sake, but for your peace of mind. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. And lastly, our 20th habit, ending the day with gratitude. Before you drift off to sleep, reflect on the positive aspects of your day. Did you enjoy a delicious meal? Did your favorite song play on the radio? By acknowledging these moments, you end your day on a positive note. And there we have it, 20 habits to help you maintain a positive mindset. So there you have it, 20 habits that can help you cultivate a positive mind. From gratitude journaling to embracing failure, from dancing like nobody's watching to practicing self-care. Each one of these habits is a stepping stone towards a brighter, more positive mindset. Whether it's limiting negativity intake, finding the silver lining, or celebrating small wins, each habit helps you focus on the positive aspects of life. And remember, habits like staying curious, laughing often, and visualizing success can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Practicing forgiveness, setting boundaries, and ending the day with gratitude are not just habits. They're lifestyle choices that can transform your life. Surrounding yourself with positive people and connecting with nature can provide the much-needed peace and positivity. Remember, positivity is a choice, and with these habits you can choose to have a brighter, more positive day every day. And if you liked what you heard, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching.